So I just got back from auction and Dad's like, the auction dad was like, that pile of wood, you go bid on that, or you go bid on that, you go bid on that. So I went and I bid on it. And he comes up and he starts bidding on it. And we don't realize we're both bidding on it. And then we finally realize it's already up to 20 bucks and they're like, you want 25? And Dad's like, nope, good. We're gonna get it for 10 bucks. But I'll show you the pile. And then there's some that we haven't caught yet that is still there. And then we gotta go drop off chickens, so we're doing that next. There's some in the shed and then some still there. And there's a wiener dogs. Lola, Lola. Lola, I'm hunting you down, Lola. I'm hunting you down. I'm watching you, Lola. Who is that? Is it Mom? I'm coming for you. Hi. I thought he already loaded that.
No. Did you see it on the back of the truck?
Oh, he's loading stuff.
What?
I don't know what he's loading.
Boy, come here.
You want some oats? You want some oats?
Oh no, what's in here? Oh no.
What are you doing? What?
You are so ridiculous. We're at work here. Some of us have jobs, you know, being boys.
Oh. Whoa, you guys got big since last time I saw you. It's warm in here. Holy crap. Yeah, look how big you crazy kids are. Well. Oh, you got it. You gotta fight me for it.
I'm already just started.
I get to go to bed with this thing. This thing. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go, bro? Oh, what are you doing? It's so precious, even when it digs itself. That lightning is still crazy. And it's thundering now. I need to sleep with this thing, so everything's much better. You wanna be thunder buddies? I don't even know how the song goes. Thunder buddies. I love her so much. Oh, I got shaky there. Mom. I love it. Alright, peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Is it day yet?
Yeah.